Hi guys, it's Laurie. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm participating in the Look for Less challenge. The requirement of this challenge are that we recreate something from a high-end store. I'm recreating a natural driftwood mirror from the Pottery Barn. This challenge is being hosted by Yami The Latina next door, along with her co-host Linda from Faith Chick 777. Both women have amazing channels. I'm going to link them both below in my description along with the playlist for this challenge. I thought I'd show you my collection of driftwood and shells that I have in my barn and I've been collecting forever, and now I actually have something to make with them. Here's even more pieces from my collection, and I brought these inside and I'm going to use them to recreate my mirror. For the base of my project, I'm using this old ship's wheel mirror. I bought it a long time ago and it's actually just falling apart. I'm removing the outside spokes and I see that I paid $16.99 for it quite a while ago at the Christmas tree shop. To start the mirror, I needed flat edges on my driftwood. Some of the edges were actually pretty flat, so I sanded those down. And then for the other pieces, I clipped them and then sanded those edges as well. With all my pieces cut and sanded, it was now time to add them to the form. I'm using a combination of E6000 and my glue gun. To attach the driftwood to the outside edge, I used some hot glue with a mixture of E6000, and then I added some E6000 around the edges of the mirror. Once that was done, I simply attached the driftwood, making sure that the flat edges were even on the outside edge of the mirror. This part of the project was super easy and I couldn't believe how quickly it worked up. If you don't happen to have driftwood on hand, another pretty cool idea to make a country farmhouse type of mirror would be to use sticks or twigs and then glue them around just like I'm doing the driftwood. I didn't realize my gnomes made an appearance in the mirror. They were from my last video, and you know what? If you'd like to check them out, I will link that above. Once my outside edge was complete, I went through some of the smaller pieces of my driftwood to mimic my inspiration piece. It's kind of like a puzzle. I kept hot gluing pieces in place here and there, filling up the open spots. My inspiration piece only has 2 rows. I'm covering a larger area, so the outside of my mirror will have more layers. I continued adding more pieces of driftwood and just filled in all the little spaces in between the larger pieces. This was such a quick and easy project. I absolutely love the way it came out and I can't wait to hang this in the foyer of my little beach house. The Pottery Barn mirror was $699 and mine was free. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed making this mirror. If you haven't yet subscribed and you think you'd like to come back and hang out with me again, don't forget to click that little red subscribe button below. I'll see you soon. Bye everybody!